Hey everyone. In 1827, a German scientist, by his experiments, proposed a relation between potential difference and electric current. His name is George Simon Ohm. What is the relation here? A relation is also known as Ohm's law. What? Ohm's law. What is Ohm's law says? V is directly proportional to I. See, there is a proportionality between these two quantities, left and right. If left quantity increases, right side quantity is also increases. What is denotes? Proportionality. Proportionality means if left side quantity increases, right side quantity is also increases. So what does it mean? If potential difference is increases, current is also increases. If potential difference is decreases, current decreases. So what is the definition here? As per Ohm's law, at constant temperature, at constant temperature, the current or electric current is directly proportional to the potential difference across its ends. So the current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the across its ends. So at constant temperature here, you have to note that this Ohm's law is valid for constant temperatures only. If current rises or temperature changes, Ohm's law is not valid. So that's why this is fundamental law. What? This is called fundamental law. By his observations and practicals, he stated that so this is fundamental law. If it is universal law, it is applicable for all materials, for everywhere. So this is not universal law, this is fundamental law. Okay. So from V is directly proportional to I. If you remove this proportionality, definitely a constant value should come, right, in mathematics or physics. So V is equal to I into R. So this is a constant. What it denotes? R denotes resistance. R denotes resistance. So V is equal to I into R. What is mean by resistance first? For example, this is a copper wire. Let's make a small circuit. So current is flowing through this copper wire, right? But resistance is a property of every matter. It obstructs the electric current, flow of electric current. That is called resistance. It obstructs. Resistance means it obstruction or obstruct to the flow of electric current. So this is a property of any metals. Definitely every metal has this property. This is called resistance. It stops the electric current. So R is resistance, it is constant here. From V is equal to I into R, from V is equal to I into R, you can also write resistance definition. This is multiplication, right? If it is comes left hand side, it will become division. So R is equal to V by I. So R is equal to V by I. Resistance formula V by I. There is a shortcut. for this resistance, potential difference and electric current. So you can make it simple like this. See, if you want to potential difference, just close it. Will make V is equal to I into R. If you want to electric current, close it, it will become V by R. Potential difference divided by resistance. If you want to resistance, close it, R is equal to V by I. Resistance topic we'll see in next video very deeply. Okay, so here V is directly proportional to I, right? We can also state this V is directly proportional to I. If potential difference increases, current is also increases, right? So if potential difference is double, current also double in conductor. If potential difference is half, current is also half in a conductor. See, from here we will write R is inversely proportional to I. This is proportionality, this is inversely proportionality. So the current, electric current is inversely proportional to R. This is nothing but electric current is inversely proportional to R. What is mean by inversely proportional? So there is two quantities here. If resistance is increases, current is decreases in a circuit. If resistance is decreases, current is increases in a circuit. So this is mean by inversely proportional. For example, if resistance is double, current gets half. So why? Because resistance is itself oppose the electric current, right? So if it is opposes the electric current, it will become half. If resistance is half, current is double. So wherever resistance is low, current flowing in a circuit is high. Remember this one. Okay, so from these two formulas we can conclude that this flow of electric current or the strength of electric current, the strength of electric current is depends on two factors. It depends on two factors. One is potential difference, second one is resistance. Okay, so let's see a small experiment. Ohm's law. There is a circuit here. There is a resistance is connected in this circuit, and voltage. This is a voltmeter. Okay. What is the use of voltmeter? It is measures the voltage in a circuit, and here ammeter is connected. How much electric current is flowing in a circuit? It can measure by ammeter, and there are three cells here. You can take one by one. Okay, so there is activity, serial number, number of cells, electric current, potential difference and resistance. To prove resistance is constant in a circuit, we have to do this small experiment. For example, take one cell. First take one cell, there is 0.4 volt. How can you find this? It has, first cell has 0.4 volt by using voltmeter. So number of cells take first cell has 0.4 volt, and how much current is flowing if you connect 0.4 volt in a circuit by using ammeter. So how much current is here? 0.1. For first cell 0.4 volt it has, so the current flowing is, electric current flowing is 0.1 ampere. For example, second cell 0.8 voltage or potential difference, and the current is 0.2 ampere. Third cell, by using third cell it has 1.2 volt and it has 0.3 ampere. So we know resistance formula V by I. If you division this 0.4, 0.1, 0.8 by 0.2, 1.2 by 0.3. So if you observe here, resistance is constant at every situation. Even though you are changing voltage, potential difference changes, current changes, but resistance is constant here. So this is called Ohm's law. In Ohm's law, resistance is constant for every material. If resistance changes, definitely it doesn't obey Ohm's law. And by using these values, I can draw a graph. If you observe a straight line passing from the origin, this means R is constant here. So Ohm's law is valid for only metals. Okay, it doesn't obey for non-metals. Okay, so see you in next video. Thank you.